on the training regulation standard, and I am ready to use it when I provide skills demonstration for you. So let us now begin our training or orientation. So now that you are enrolled in bread and pastry production and C2, so let me introduce you the King Thomas Learning Academy Incorporated, your training center, and here's the school ID 433545. So thank you for choosing APLA as your training center. So here's the philosophy, vision, mission, goals, objectives, and core values of our school or training center. And once again, I am Spina Anastasia, your trainer for the qualification. So here's the competency-based training or CPT. Training delivery approach that focuses on the competency development of the learner as a result of their training. Emphasize on what the learner can do and focuses on the outcome rather than the learning process within the specified time. So when in the CBT training, we only focus on your outcome rather than on your progress or your learning here. So we have 10 principles of competency-based training. The training is based on a curriculum developed from the competency standard. Learning is competency-based or modular instruction. So when we say learning is competency-based or modular instruction, I will the one who will give you a modular so that you will answer the given task. Yes. Training delivery is individualized and self-paced. Training is based on work that must be performed. So our training is only based on the training you will be performed. Training's materials are directly related to the competency standards in the curriculum. Assessment of the learners is based on the collection and research of evidence of work performance on industry or organizational required standard. Training is based on the job components. The system allows recognition of prior learning or RPL. So this system, we allow recognition for prior learning. And the system allows learners to enter and exceed programs at different times and levels to receive an award for competency attained at any point. Approved training programs are nationally accredited. The role of a trainer and a trainee. So the major role of a trainer is to coordinate learning activities other than the traditional dispensing of information. The following are the functioning rules of CBT trainer. Serves as a team member to determine what is to be learned, stimulate trainees' motivation. So as a trainer, I am not here to teach you. I am here to give you CBT, and you are the one who will understand what about the inside the CBT, and you are the one who answer the task in provided. So I am just here as a motivation. The role of a trainee. So CBT is individualized and learner-centered. Trainees therefore pursue instruction for their personal goals and objectives. So what I said earlier, you as a trainee, I will give you a module so that you are the one who answered, and you should self-check. Competency-based learning materials, CBLM. These are learning materials that are well designed and carefully developed to give trainees detailed instruction to guide them through the learning process. So this is the materials that I will be given to you. So they are carefully developed to give detailed instruction. So that you are fully understand what is inside of the CBLM. Here's the contents of CBLM. Preliminary pages. First, front page, trainees guide on how to use the CBLM, list of competencies, competency summary, learning outcome summary, learning experience, contents of CBLM, the instruction sheets, information sheet, subject, task sheet, operation sheet, job sheet, and performance criteria checklist. So unit of the competency to be covered for bread and pastry production and C2. The unit of competency are divided into 4 groups, which are the following. So which are the following groups: basic competencies, common competencies, core competencies, and elective competencies. And here's the unit of competencies to be covered for bread and pastry production and C2. First is the prepare and produce bakery products. Second, prepare and produce pastry products. Third, prepare and present gateau, torts, and cakes. Fourth, prepare and display petit pours. 5, present desserts. Monitoring tools. Progress chart. This chart is used to monitor the learning outcomes and competencies achieved by each trainee. So the progress chart is, you will use this to monitor the outcomes of you. Monitoring tools, achievement chart. This chart is used to monitor the required projects and activities, usually in the job sheets of the CBLM. So the achievement chart is, they are the one to monitor the projects and activities that I will be given to you. So we have evaluation system. First is the written test, performance test, through demonstration and observation. And third is the oral questioning. And we have only 2 rating here, competent and not yet competent. And here's the training. Once you are already enrolled, you will have the administer RTL orientation, role of trainer or trainee. Trainee receives instruction, providing materials into the CBLM materials, and receiving learning package, view multimedia materials, use manuals, observe demonstration, practical skills and workshop, receive assistance and advice. And trainers observe performance, trainee practices task, trainer rates performance, trainer rates own performance, and satisfactory perform competency, have completed all the competencies. Once you already completed, you will undergo national assessment, and then trainee exits program. So now let me tour you in our facilities. So here's the learning resources area and trainers resources area. If you want to talk to me, you will find me here. And distance learning area, once online, you can use this. And this is our institutional assessment area and quality control area. Next is the lecture area, and of course our laboratory practical area, and our class facilities is computer area. So you may take your seat. Okay? And now that we are finished in our Orientation. Tomorrow you can bring your certificate if you have already experience making pastry products or anything related in bread and pastry production. And that's it. We all thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Good morning, trainees.
Morning, ma'am.
Can I get your certification? Oh, I see that you have already experience making bakery products. So I will check you in forward. So do you want to choose any paid core or do you want me to give you?
For number 5 na.
Okay, making dessert. So I will give you this DLM. So read and understand the page 5.1 to 5.6 and answer the task given. And after an hour, I will be back. Oh, I see that you are a fresh graduate. So do you want me to choose a core or you are the one to choose? Okay, core number 2. You are going to make pastry. So probably. So I will give you this DLM and read and understand the page 2.1 to 2.5 and answer the given task. And I will be back after an hour. Okay. Oh, you got a perfect score. Oh, I see that you are got a perfect score now. You can follow me for the laboratory. Now for making dessert, I will demonstrate first, then after that you are the one who make. So first, you are going to make graham. So first is, you should put the graham bars in the, then you will get Now that first, so I am demonstrating first, making cakes, small cakes first. You should flour, right? Okay, do you understand? Okay, you are the one who will make and make sure to follow the safety standard and self-check. And, and after hour, I will be back. Oh, I see. Your pastry is good, and let's see if it will pass in the quality control. Let's go. Okay, your crust is good and is also good the taste. Okay, now that it passed, now you achieve. I will check green or two. And here's your certification. Okay. What do you want to choose? For okay, for number 5. You will be making some desserts. Let's go. Okay, I will give you this CBLM and read and understand the page 5.6 and 5.8 and answer the given task. And I will be back after an hour. Thank you. Cakes, small cakes. Your small cakes is cute and very delicious. So I think you are all already done. So we should move to the institutional assessment area. So you will make some small cakes and after that you should self-check and I will be back after an hour. Oh, I see. I think you have already need to go to the laboratory for making some desserts. So I'm going to demonstrate first. So now we will be going to make some coffee jelly. First, you should cook the jelly with coffee and sugar and add some. After that, you put it in the granera and will you get it? Okay, you are the one who will make. So always follow the safety standard and self-check. After an hour, I will be back. Thank you. Oh, okay. Your small piece is good and will make some desserts, and after that, you should self-check. And then, I will be back after an hour. Oh, okay. I think you are ready for another laboratory. Okay. So, first I will demonstrate how to make some pie. Flour, butter, and egg. And we put it in the granera. So, and the fillings, you should cook the fillings. Okay. Do you get it now? Okay, now that you get it, you are the one who make your own card. And then, right. And then, you should self-check and always follow the safety standard. Okay, self-check. And we got an arm. Oh, I see you. I see that your dessert is ready, and I think it's good. Let's proceed to the quality control. Okay, go fast. So now that your dessert is passed in a quality control, and I think it tasty. Okay. And okay, what do you think that your dessert passed in the quality control? Okay, very good. Now, you already achieved the core 5. Here's your certificate. Okay, let's go. Okay, choose anything that you want to. Okay, C3. Okay, here, here's the BLM. You didn't understand the page 3.5 to 3.8 and answer the given task or okay, and I will be back after an hour. Okay, I see your time is good, and I think it's yummy. So now that you are going to proceed into the institutional assessment. Now that you should bring some pastry like on card. Okay? And after you should self-check, and after an hour will be back. Okay, now you are ready to go to the laboratory. First, I will demonstrate how to make some cakes. Okay, flour, eggs, and sugar mixture. Then put in the granera, then oven. Okay, did you get it already? Okay, now it's your turn to make some cakes. Always follow the safety standards and self-check. After an hour, I will be back. Okay, your type is ready. I think it's good. So let's move on to the quality control. If pass. Okay, your tart is yummy and good quality. So now you achieve the core. So now, what do you think why your tart is yummy? Okay, very good. Okay, then you achieve the core 2. Here's your certificate. Okay, now.
I got it.
Your cake is beautiful and I think it's good and yummy. Now we should proceed to the institutional assessment area. So now, make some cakes and always subject. Okay? Subject your figure. And after an hour, I will be back. Thank you. Oh, I see that now you should proceed to the laboratory for yours making cakes. So first I will demonstrate. Okay. Put some flour in the bowl. Eggs. Put it in the blender and then open. Okay, do you get it now? Okay, word one. Always follow the safety standard and subject. After an hour, I will be back. Okay, your cakes is already done. Let's proceed to the quality control which will pass. So, your cake is yummy and the design is cute. So, what do you think? Why did you design this cake? Oh, very good. Let's go. You achieved the Core 3. So here your certification. Okay, let's go. Okay. Use the core. What do you want to take? C1. Okay. Forward. Let's go. You are now making the bakery practice. Okay. Here's CBLM and read and understand the page 1.5 to 1.10 and answer the given task. I will be back after an hour. Thank you. Oh, okay. Here, I see that the first cake is cute and I think it's tasty. Now we should proceed to the institutional assessment area. Okay, I will give you this. So you should make some cake with fresh fruit on top and always self-check and after an hour I will be back. Oh, I see. I think you have to go to the laboratory because you already understand. Okay? First, I will demonstrate how to make some scotch bread. Guard, then mix. Okay, and then open. Did you get it na? Okay. Now you are the one who will make your own bread and always follow the safety standard and subject and I will be back after an hour. Okay, I see that your cake is good. Let's proceed it onto the control, it will pass. Oh, your bread is fast and I think that it's yummy. So what is ingredients that you use? Okay. Now that you achieved that core one, I will check it now. Here's your certificate. Let's go. Okay, you have only one, the C4.
Ano ba ito? Pababa. Duwan.
Read and understand the page 4.1 to 4.5 and answer the given task. After an hour, I will be back. Wait, did you? Okay, have you done? Oh, I see you have already completed the task. Now that you are ready to go to laboratory. First, I will demonstrate how to make some small cakes. Did you get it now? Okay, you are the one who made and follow the safety standard and self-check. Okay, after an hour, I will be back. Oh, your small cakes is cute and I think it's yummy. Now that you already completed the laboratory, we should proceed to the institutional assessment area. Okay, make some small cakes with the top with fruit on top. Okay, then I will be back after an hour. So self-check always. Okay, thank you. Oh, your cakes is cute. Now that you already completed it, we should move on to the quality control so that I think okay, your cake is passed in the quality control and it's tasty. So why it's healthy to have a fresh fruit on top? Okay, very good. You have already completed the C4. And now you are finished on your training. Here's your certification. Thank you. Let's go. Okay, now that you are now completed all the core competencies and you are now qualified or you already qualified in that all trainings, that's all. I want you to congratulate. Okay, thank you.